Hi, Kelsey Pearson. I am currently enjoying some quiet in the house because my 8-month-old is sleeping. You can see just kind of sort of on the camera, this right there is his little leg. He likes to pretend that he's not actually in the crib so that when I look at the camera, I'm totally freaked out that he's not there, but he is. He just likes the corners for some reason, but I think I do too, so maybe that's my trait. But since he's 8 months old, we do a lot of playing, and we do a lot of singing, and we do a lot of talking, or maybe I do those things, and he just listens a lot. But we have a new favorite toy. We have these awesome finger puppets. We have a turtle, right? We have an elephant. We have a bird. We have a parrot. All sorts of great things. A phenomenal one, and it's totally different than all the rest, which is why I think it's funny, is the shark. I guess it makes sense that it's not a true finger puppet, like the frog, because that would be weird. It would then be a vertical shark instead of a horizontal shark. But the shark has really phenomenal teeth. You see all the way around there. Very good chompers. I think he has pretty good dental hygiene. And he is really good to sing when we sing the Baby Shark song. If you don't know it, you should probably check it out if you have little kids, because mine loves it.